Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will explore 4 common adjectives used to describe shapes. These words are essential for everyday English and will help you describe objects around you. The 4 adjectives we'll learn are round, square, flat, and curved. Let's begin our journey. The first adjective is round. Round describes something that has a circular or spherical shape, like a ball or a plate. When something is round, it has no corners or edges. It is smooth and continuous all the way around. For example, you can say the table is round or she has a round face. Round is a very common adjective in English. The second adjective is square. Square describes something that has 4 equal sides and 4 corners with 90-degree angles. Think of a box or a window. When something is square, all sides are the same length. For example, you can say, the window is square, or he drew a square box. Square is often used to describe geometric shapes and objects in everyday life. The third adjective is flat. Flat describes something that has a smooth, level surface with no curves or bumps. It is the opposite of round or curved. For example, you can say the paper is flat, or she likes flat shoes. Flat can also describe a surface that is even and smooth, like a table or a floor. It is commonly used to describe things that are not raised or curved. The fourth adjective is curved. Curved describes something that has a smooth, rounded bending shape. Unlike a straight line, a curved line bends gradually and smoothly. For example, you can say the road is curved, or she has curved eyebrows. Curved objects are elegant and often found in nature, like the shape of a river or a wave. This adjective is very useful for describing natural shapes. Let's review all 4 shape adjectives together. Round means circular, like a ball. Square means 4 equal sides with corners, like a box. Flat means smooth and level with no curves, like paper. And curved means smoothly bending, like a wave. These 4 adjectives cover most common shape descriptions in English. Remembering these words will help you describe many objects you see every day. Now let's practice using these adjectives. First question, the pizza is what shape? The answer is round. A pizza is circular and round. Second question, the game controller is what shape? The answer is curved. A game controller has smooth, bending shapes. Third question, the television screen is what shape? The answer is square. Most television screens have 4 sides and corners. These practice examples help you understand how to use these adjectives correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully learned 4 important shape adjectives: round, square, flat, and curved. These words are fundamental for describing the world around you in English. Practice using these adjectives in your daily conversations. Try describing objects in your home, at work, or outside. The more you use these words, the more natural they will become. In our next lesson, we will explore more descriptive adjectives to expand your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and thank you for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.